Come along and sing a song about a friend who's not too long begging round. Loves to swim, lives with buddies, next of kin, in the jungle, on the ground. Capybara, come around. Capybara, capybara. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybara lives in a place so wet, near rivers, lakes, where they get set. In South America, jungles they roam. They find water, that's their home. Mud and grass, a comfy bed, where they lay their sleepy head. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybaras talk and chirps and squeaks. That's how they share all their speaks. When they're happy, when they play, chirp and whistle all the day. Friends and family, they understand. Every sound is so grand. Capybaras munch on grass all day, eating plants in their own way. Leaves and fruit they like to chew. Veggies too, it's all they do. Herbivores, they love the greens. Healthy diet as it seems. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybaras swim like fish, you see. Water is their friend, carefree. Webbed feet help them glide in the water side by side. Splashing, diving in the blue. Swimming capybaras, woohoo! Capybaras love to stay in groups, living together, jumping hoops. Families big, they all share love and friendship everywhere. In their groups they feel so strong, together where they belong. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybaras with hearts so wide, always friendly, never hide. In the day or in the night, they bring joy, they bring light. Let's be friends and sing along. Capybara, happy song. Capybaras are so neat and clean. Groom each other, they're not mean. In the water, wash and play, keeping tidy every day. Brushing fur with their teeth, clean as rodents underneath. Capybaras, they love the sun. Basking warmth is so much fun. On the shore they rest and lay. Sunshine makes a happy day. With a yawn they stretch so wide. Sun-kissed capybaras side by side. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybaras with soft fur, brown and thick. Touch the coat, feels like a trick. Warm and cuddly, gentle too. Perfect pals for me and you. Furry friends, they make us smile. Stay with us for a while. Capybaras, they love the night. Under stars, moon so bright. In the dark, they find their way. Adventure time, night or day, exploring paths with their kin. Nighttime fun, let's begin. Capybara, capybara, big and brown. Furry friend all around town. Swimming, playing in the sun. Capybara, oh what fun. Capybaras, they're smart and wise, full of love, no surprise. With their friends they play and learn. Everyday fun takes a turn. Join the capybara crew. Every day something new. So remember, furry friends, capybara fun never ends. Big and brown, by the stream, living life just like a dream. Join the song and sing with cheer. Capybara friends are here.
Thanks for watching, kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.